Now look at this nice 2002 Chrysler minivan. But if you own one of these, eventually you're going to have trouble with the heater hose assembly. These one-piece assembly heater hoses are molded of a steel tube with rubber fittings on each end, and eventually they rust out. And when they rust out, they're kind of a pain to change. And I'm showing you a little trick here on how you can do it quickly and cheaply and not have to pay anywhere from $85 to $150 for the part. You can have your car back on the road in just a fraction of the time for less than 20 bucks by following these simple tips. So you're going to jack up and support the car in a stand, get underneath it on the passenger side by the rear of the engine, and look up through all these different little access holes here, and eventually you'll find the one where you can see where the heater hose connects onto the back of the water pump. It's the actual heater return hose, and this is where it usually breaks off at, right up here. You can see there number 1 is the nipple on the back of the water pump, and number 2 is the hose. So what you're going to do is you're going to break loose those clamps where it clamps to the nipple and pull that rubber part right off. And honestly, you don't even need to remove the old hose and tube assembly. You can route the new rubber heater hose right around it and up to the other end where it goes. So pull that hose off right up here where I'm showing you where the clamps are at, and then take a piece of it to the auto parts store, buy several feet of hose that same size and a couple of screw down hose clamps, fit one end over this end, trace the other end up to the upper part right here on the driver's side, where you'll find the other connection for the end of the heater hose. You'll disconnect that and slide your new rubber hose over the fitting on the top, clamp it down tight, and you will have fixed your leaking heater hose at a fraction of the time and money it would cost. Remove the jack stand, reinstall your wheel, let the car down, refill the radiator, let it run a while, double check it to make sure all the air has worked its way out. Turn the heater on to make sure the coolant is flowing all the way through the system to help flush the bubbles through, and you'll be good to go again. Easy to do, save yourself some money, and get back on the road quickly. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.